Magandang hapon po ng Monday, December 11, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Monday, December 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Monday, December 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, December 11, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 57 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 27 million pesos for Monday, December 11, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Monday, December 11, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.